Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find your previously uploaded files in Gemini. So whenever you start a new chat and you have the option to upload a file and write the prompt about it, sometimes these files tend to get lost, especially if the conversation drags on. This also applies if you have multiple conversations, each with their own files. So one way of looking for files that you've uploaded is by going to the Library tab. You can find it here at the top left-hand side of your screen. And usually files that are either generated or uploaded by you will end up here in the Library tab. If you don't see your document here, that might be because Gemini doesn't actually upload all of your files into the library file. Instead, you're going to have to go through the individual chat itself. So if we go here, search chats, and let's say I'm going to open up this chat right here. So it's really easy to look for the file I've uploaded because it's only one message in this conversation. But let's say this is a longer conversation, for example, with multiple uploaded files. So it's going to take a lot of time to scroll all the way back. So the way you want to go about this is by clicking on the menu at the top right hand side of your screen and then clicking on files in this chat. So here you're going to see files that are created and files that are added, or files that you've uploaded, in other words. So by doing that, you get to view all the files in the conversation in one neat. That's pretty much it for this video. It's really quick and really easy, although sometimes it is a little bit out of the way. That's why these options go unnoticed. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.